Hi there, and in today's video I will show you how to watch YouTube on the cover screen of your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Let's get started. So, as a first step, we need to open settings on our phone. After this, scroll down until you will see this tab named Advanced Features. Click on it, and after, Labs. Here you can see this function which is named Apps Allowed on cover screen. If we will click on it, to enable this function, click on this slider on the right edge. And now right here you can choose the applications that you want to allow on the cover screen. I will choose YouTube, and that's it. Now let's test it. So the cover screen works only when the phone is closed. I have closed my phone, and now let's test the YouTube. Double click to wake up this screen and swipe left until you will see YouTube. Click on it, and as you can see, the YouTube is fully working. We can find some video here that we want to watch, for example Olympics, and choose the video that we are interested into. And this is how it looks, fully working YouTube. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.